Hello friends, today I am going to do an experiment of density of water. So the materials are 2 tall drinking glass, one with fresh drinking water and one with salty water. And the second material is 2 eggs. So the first step is drop one egg. Put one egg in the fresh water, and then put another egg in the salty water. Look, in the fresh water, the egg sank, and in the salty water, the egg floats. Objects float better in salt water than in fresh water because salt adds more mass to water and makes it denser. If you add 10 grams of salt to 100 grams of water, the total mass is now 110 grams. This increased density cause object to float better on the surface. Bye friends, I hope you like my experiment.